Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm with Glamour Girl and we're gonna go check out Seacliff Bridge. We're at the start of some walk somewhere, we don't know where we are at all, but we're gonna walk up this foggy mountain and hopefully find the top, good lookout of Seacliff Bridge. Are you keen?
Woo! Yes.
First obstacle of today, the fence. You got this? Oh, guys, this is gonna look epic. That is really muddy right now. Whoa, fuck. Oh. I can see it in the distance. That one's really muddy, by the way. We have made it. How beautiful is that?
Oh my god! Fuck yeah!
Just walking through all this rain and mist and fog. We didn't even think we were going to be able to see it today, so to see that is just amazing. Guys, we're halfway down this mountain. We're going to go under the bridge and try and get some sick shots now. So we've got to get through this fence, around the train track, down the mountain, down the next mountain, onto the rocks, and then we're going to get some sick shots. So we'll see you there.
Well, I haven't died yet, so that's a positive. Interesting to see how we go getting down to the bottom.
Got down the bottom of the mountain. We're losing light really fast,
and it's raining
pretty heavy, eh? We found a little entrance down what we think goes down to the bridge, so we're gonna hit this up, go down here, and hope to God we can get a little bit of light while we're down there. We're going back down through more bush in the rain. Oh, it's really slippery. How you going, Isabella?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good. On the bottom of some highway right now. Absolutely no idea if this is even gonna be worth it. This is looking pretty promising there. Back into the dark. Either we walk down here or we walk up there. Getting Isabella to climb down here. We're gonna go check out what's going on down there. And hopefully that takes us around the edge. You got this, Isabella. So much clay on our shoes right now. Look at this. Anyway, this is the gate. We're hoping it will get us through.
Oh, look at this!
Whoa! Alright, that's hectic as fuck. Grab your umbrella.
The shit we do. Shot.
I'll come down anywhere I want. Vlog.
Ah! Hello. I'm Glamour Girl, and I always hurt myself.
That's so sick.